Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about the energy booster drinks that you can make use of, which are there in Ayurveda, and you can make your energy levels up. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. It is just like many times we felt we go to the market, or even if we are going to our office job or our teaching job or any kind of profession, whenever we are doing job and we are going out even for shopping, or even if you are doing household things, household things especially for women who are taking care of the house, I feel like it's the highest task that anybody can do for a family. That is the most important thing, and many times they just exhaust themselves, like we are not taking care of ourselves very well because we feel like there is no time, and neither we pay attention, because especially the women, they are more focused on other people's health and they are ignoring their own health. And at the end of the day you feel like I am very exhausted, and now no capability even to move or to do anything. Similarly, for working women and working men who are going outside, working in the offices, dealing with a lot of tension and stressful work. It can include any kind of teaching or office work or company work or anything like that. But at the end of the day, you start feeling like somewhere energy is totally draining out, and afternoon it becomes very difficult to sit in the office or even teaching work because you feel like it's totally gone. Have you felt it? Yes, most of the people ask me this question, okay, is there any energy booster drink in Ayurveda? So yes, there are energy boosting drinks in Ayurveda, but regarding those drinks, you need to understand few things so that you know the mechanism how these things will work. So one thing is, all the energy things depends on your digestive fire. How good is your digestive fire, that will decide like how good your energy levels will be. As you know, whole Ayurveda and the principles of Ayurveda works around digestive fire, because in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given to your metabolism or digestive fire. Any kind of drink which is very beneficial for your digestion, which is very beneficial for nutrient absorption, that in the body the nutrient absorption happen after digestive fire work on the food. So like that, anything that will enhance your nutrient absorption, because nutrients are the most needed thing for the body, and whatever will make your digestive fire good, that will work as a good energy drink. But most of the times we have felt like we feel chronic fatigue. What to do about it? When you feel chronic fatigue, one thing is you need to do your tests properly. Like many times it has been seen, whenever you have some chronic ailment, it can be hypertension, it can be diabetes, it can be certain another chronic ailments. So is this fatigue is not because of these ailments, and sometimes it is nutritional deficiency like iron deficiency or calcium deficiency or many other kind of deficiencies. So and many times this vitamin B deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency in vegetarians. I am also vegetarian. So these kind of deficiencies you need to be aware of, because if this fatigue is because of these deficiency, first thing you need to rule out all these problems. Make your fasting blood sugar test, make your thyroid test. So all kind of these tests should be done, so that we are very clear like it is not because of some chemistry problem. It is just like our energy levels are low for certain reasons. So if you see like there is no diabetes, all the tests are normal, but still you feel a lot of fatigue and you are very tired, so here is your energy booster drink. What you can do, you take dates. Everybody is aware of dates, but this drink is not recommended to people who have diabetes or pre-diabetes. So you can take dates. How much dates you can take? You can take 3 dates or 5 dates or 7 dates according to your body type. So what is your body type? How to know what is your body type? as you know, in Ayurveda there is a body constitution, like what is the constitution of your body, whether it is Vata body type, Pitta body type or Kapha body type, and you are watching me for the first time, you no idea, and you have no idea what is this body type. So, there is a link below, how to know your dosha types. You click on that link and you answer those questions, and I will let you know what is your body type in a gross way. So, first you need to know your body type, because 3 dates are recommended for Kapha body type people, because dates are very beneficial in gaining weight, and Kapha people already have a tendency to gain weight. So, these dates, only 3 dates are recommended for Kapha people. For Pitta people they can have 5 dates, and Vata people they can have 7 dates. So, these 3 dates, 3 types of dates you can have. So, what you can do, take these 3 dates, wash it properly, after that soak in water overnight, and in the morning remove the seed of these dates, and then you just blend it in a blender with 1 cup of water. In this you can put little bit, this much of, you can see, less than half inch of ginger, and you can also put half teaspoon of pepper. So, you can mix it very well, and this is a very natural drink, and it is very energy boosting drink. So, you can have in the morning after your breakfast, or even empty stomach, if you want to have, you can have it, but make sure you should not be prone to diabetes. So, if you have a family history of diabetes or you are very prone to diabetes, so you take these drinks in once in 3 days. Those people who have whose mother or father has diabetes or grandfather has diabetes, but your own blood reports are total normal. So, you can have this drink. It is very beneficial. It is very beneficial for digestive fire, and it works very well as an energy booster. You will say this energy will stay till the end of the day and you feel extremely good. So, what are the no-nos for that? Like you should not mix it with milk, because if you mix it with milk, then it will enhance the kapha dosha in the system, and then definitely it will cause obesity. So, it is very important, like you just take normal lukewarm water and mix it and drink it just like this, like that energy booster drink. If it is summers and you feel lukewarm water very difficult to drink, and you can mix it in normal water also. But in winters it is better to take it in lukewarm water. And if you are not allergic to ginger, you can also put little bit of cardamom just to enhance taste, and you will find like it is a very tasty and very nutritious drink, which will help in making your digestive fire good, and it will make your health better, and it will keep your energy levels high throughout the day. So, the day you will drink, immediately you will start feeling the change, and even next day, if you feel like daily it is very difficult to arrange dates, make sure the dates should be organic, it should be chemical free, it should not be artificial, it should be fresh in the season, then only they will yield effects. Because as you know, dates are very cooling in potency. So, to remove its coolness, we are putting little bit of ginger in it. So, do not forget to put ginger, otherwise it can enhance kapha in your system. Do not over use it. 1 cup of this drink is more than enough for you, and do not start drinking again and again, like in the morning you drank, then afternoon, then dinner. No, only once a day you need to drink it. Eventually, slowly the body will develop stamina or strength, and you will feel your energy levels are very good throughout the day. So, this is one of the very common Ayurveda energy booster drink, which I recommend to my people, and sometimes I also use it. So, another energy booster drink which I am going to tell, it is not for vegans, it is for vegetarians and also for non-vegetarians. What you can do, especially in winters, it is very beneficial. You have almonds, right? So, take 5 to 10 almonds, if you are kapha body type, you take 5, if you are pitta body type, you can take 7, and if you are Vata body type, you can take 10 almonds, but make sure your stomach should be in good condition. That is, you should not have constipation and you should have good digestive fire, then you can use this drink. Also at the same time, you should not have diabetes and you should not have hypertension or any kind of cardiac problems. If you do not have all of these, you are totally healthy, fit and fine, then you can use these almonds, because almonds we all eat and you should not be allergic to almonds. And in previous drink also, so you should not be allergic to any of the ingredients. So you can take these almonds, you soak overnight. In the morning you remove the brown peel of the almonds, like if you are taking almonds with thick cover, then you need to break it, but make sure they should not be bitter, because if they are bitter then they will not yield good effects. It should be soaked. It should not be bitter, they should be sweet. Either you can taste little bit and then you can soak accordingly, or if you have a facility to get almonds that are organic and sweet almonds, I mean there are no bitter almonds in it, then you can soak these almonds overnight and in the morning just remove the peel, and after that take a glass of milk, and this milk should be from farm and from the cow which people are feeding well with herbs and green grass, and this cow and not like some packed milk that is available in the market, not that milk. The milk that is freshly taken out from the cow and it is boiled properly, like it is pasteurized milk, that it should be boiled on the gas properly. And because after boiling, as you know, all the microorganisms in the milk that is there in the animal, they will not enter in our system. They got killed because in such a heat, when milk is boiling, no microorganisms can stay. So this kind of milk is safe for drinking rather than this packed milk which have a lot of preservatives. So these are not so good. So take one cup of milk after boiling, not boil, let it cool little bit, and then after boiling, and then just then take these soaked almonds in which you have removed peels and you just dip in this milk. After that you blend it with milk and put little bit of cardamom in it, and you will see it is a very wonderful and tasty shake which you can use as your energy drink. But make sure, like because almonds are little heavy to digest, and if you are regularly using almonds, you are daily using like 10-15 almonds if you are using, for those people I am recommending 10 almonds. But if you are very new to almonds and you are not allergic to almonds, but you have not eaten almonds this much, so just use 5 almonds. 5 almonds are more than enough. I hope this will also enhance your energy levels. But this almond milk is recommended only once in 4 days or 5 days, not daily, because it will cause weight gain. So it is very important, like when we are using these kind of drinks, when to drink, what to drink, how to drink, and these should be drink in the morning, they should not be drink at night or afternoons. So that is very important. Morning, when I am saying after breakfast, and if you are using this milk, almond with milk, do not use any sour thing, any combination with it, or salty thing, because salt and milk is a bad combination. Sour and milk is also a bad combination. Curd and milk is also a bad combination. So if you are using this kind of drink, please keep in mind all these things, it will help you. In addition to that, try to have a good amount of fruits in your diet. 50% of your diet can be fruits, that will also boost your energy level. In addition to that, you can do in the morning Isha yoga, and it is very beneficial for your health and well-being, because most of our tiredness is because of stress. So you can try meditation, yoga, and many other hatha yoga practices like we are teaching to people, and people say like they give amazing results. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video, and if you have any question, please write down to us. We will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed me yet, so there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon, hit the subscription button and click the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can click this join button and you can support us. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Till then, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and also if you want Ayurveda consultation, please leave a comment or you can personally write down to us on our Rasa page, and we will let you know how you can do Ayurveda consultation. So that's all for today. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. And also make sure you should not be allergic to any of these ingredients. I think everybody knows this, and it will help people. And this, all these both of these drinks are not for diabetes. So make sure you should not have diabetes because it can aggravate diabetes. So all the diabetes people should avoid it, and milk and these almond things should be avoided by cardiac problem people and hypertensive people. So these are the precautions. Bye. Take care.